Good day to you, everyone. I am happy to be here again. My name is Samuel Opeola. I am the creator of Qora Digital Cash. I use this platform to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money online. If you are new on this platform, kindly check my previous videos, watch them, grab some few tips there, and start making money for yourself today. If you have any question at all about any of my videos, about my trading strategy, or about my indicators, kindly check the description box below for my email and WhatsApp number. Send me a message and I will reply you immediately. Okay, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly check below this video. Kindly check below this video for the subscription button. Click on the subscription button and also click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, quickly, today we will be looking at a special topic, 2-minute strategy. Special 2-minute strategy for trading boom and crash. 2-minute strategy for trading boom and crash. You're going to love this special training session because it's going to teach you how you can easily make some money for yourself make some money for yourself by trading boom and crash. I will be teaching you exactly what you'll be looking out for before you pick your 2-minute candle. Exactly what you should look out for before you pick up your 2-minute candle. Quickly, before we go into details, let's go to the worksheet so that you get to see what you should be looking out for, so that you know what you should be looking out for before picking up your 2 minutes. Once you see this signal, once you see everything I've written here, then you should know that you've gotten a signal to pick up your 2 minutes. People have been asking me, how do I know when to enter into a trade? People have been asking me, how do I know when to exit a trade? People have been asking me, how long can I stay in the market? Then I am ready to show you this. This will help you. This is newbie friendly. It will help you to milk the market for as much time as possible. Your income earning depends on your trading capital and the lot size you'll be using. And at the same time, I'm not asking you to use a huge lot size that will wipe off all your accounts, most especially if your account is very small. So choose the right lot size carefully. If you are not sure of what to use, kindly check the description box below for my email and WhatsApp number. Send me a message and we can discuss on that. I will be able to advise you on the type of lot size you can use for that's your capital, for your trading capital. So quickly, based on what I have on my worksheets, I decided to put this out so that you can, while going through the video again, you'll be able to see it in written form, what you need to look out for, so it won't just be orally. So the first thing is the trend of the market. I always make mention of this. Always follow the trend. The trend of the market is very, very important. If you are buying crash, then the market must be in uptrend. If you are selling boom, the market must be in downtrend. So this is very important. Number 2 is wait for the signal. You wait for the buy signal in crash and also wait for the sell signal in boom. I will show you how to get this signal. The special indicator we'll be using will give you the signal, will give you a buy signal and a sell signal. Not all the buy and sell signal, you are not going to follow all the buy and sell signal. I will show you the ones to follow, because people usually say How do I know the signal is giving me is not too close to the support or resistance level? I will show you what to follow now. Okay, and I will also show you how to know the trend of the markets too. So all these are very, very important. Number 3 is the buy signal must be above the candle indicator for crash. That is for crash. You can see this is the type of signal you should follow. The buy signal must be above the candle indicator for crash. Then the fourth one is the sell signal must be below the candle indicator for boom. So these are the 4 things you should look out for before you can say you've gotten a signal. They are very easy to locate. It's not something that is difficult. So we'll be going into practical now. Let's practicalize this. Let's go to the trading platform so that you will be able to see what I am talking about. So we'll be looking at boom and crash together, either 500 or 1000. Both are the same. Presently, you should know that this is boom 500 1 minute chart. Presently, boom is on downtrend, is on long downtrend. So you can see it will have a reversal in price action once it gets to a major support level. Once you start seeing the green line, then it has gotten to a major support level. So at that stage, then there could be a reversal in price action, but I'm not here to explain that today. I just want you to look out for 2 things and pick your trade. Just pick 2-minute trades and leave the market. Wait for another period before you pick another one. So for boom, we said it must be in downtrend. So this is downtrend. So it has satisfied the first thing we should look out for. Then the next thing we have to look out for is, where's the worksheets? Let me close this. So the next thing we should look out for is wait for the sell signal. So we have to wait for the sell signal. You can see the sell signal is the big red ball. Can you see the big red ball? Yeah, that is the sell signal. The sell signal is the big red ball. So it came out here. You can see it coming out here. So we have seen the red signal, although it is not currently, but we can still use this as an example. Yeah, so the red signal came out here. So what is the next thing to look out for? We are using boom as an example for now. So the sell signal, you go to the fourth one because that one is dealing with boom. The sell signal must come out below the candle indicator. So let's go back to that. So where is the candle indicator? You can see this line. You can see the gray small candles at some point. It will be very green. Yeah, that is the candle indicator. That is the candle indicator. It comes with this special indicator. That is the candle indicator. You can see that the red signal, which is the big red ball, came out under the candle indicator. So once it comes out under the candle indicator, what are you supposed to do? Just pick up your 2-minute candle. Sometimes you can even pick 3, but I don't want you to overdo it, because some people don't even know where the next support level is. If I want to pick 5 with this, I can pick it, but let's stick with 2-minute candle. So you just pick up your 2-minute candle, 1 minute, 2 minutes, then you leave the market. If you are having a big capital, let's say you have $1,000, you can use lot size 3 easily without wiping off your account. If you use lot size 3.0, each of these 2 minutes will give you $3. Each of these 1-minute candle will give you $3. So the 2 minutes will give you $6, and you can do that over and over and over throughout the whole day. Now let's take it backward to see if this really work out. Look at this. This is the candle indicator, and it is still following the downtrend. And look at it, the sell signal came in under the candle indicator. Look at it. 1 minute candle, 2 minute candle, even 3 minute candle, but let's stay with 2 minute candle. So 1 2, you can see we're able to get our 2 minute candle there. Here also came under the candle indicator, so we can still pick up our 2 minute candle here. There is no signal here. This one came above the candle indicator, so we are not going to enter here. This came under the candle indicator. The sell signal came under the candle indicator, so we can still pick up our 2 minutes. You can see we can easily pick up our 2 minutes here. This also came under the candle indicator, so you can still pick up your 2 minute candle here. This came above, so we are not going to pick anything here, although there was a long distance for us to trade there. But I don't want to confuse us. If I'm the one trading, just having a spike, having a reversal in price action from a verified support zone means that it's going to go down for a while, so I can easily come in and pick up my candles here. But I don't want to confuse us with so many information, so I want us to follow the principle I'm giving now. So this came above, so there is no need to go into the markets. Just look for the one that comes under the candle indicator. This came under the candle indicator, so you can still pick up your 2 minute candle. You can see easily the 2 minute candle came before. It was on the third candle that the little spike happened. Check out here, this is above, so you don't need to go in there, although considering the verified support level, then you can easily come in, but I don't want to confuse us with that. But let's focus on the strategy we are following. This is below the candle indicator, so you can see you can easily pick up your 2 minute candle. This is above, don't go there. No, this is not above, this is below. This is the below candle indicator, so you can easily pick up your 2 minute candle. This is below candle indicator, you can easily pick up your 2 minute candle. This is above, don't go there. This is also above, don't go there. So you can see that you can easily get that. You can get more than 10 of these daily. You can get more than 10 of these daily. A spike has happened. It's happened at the support zone, so you can easily get 10 of these daily if that is what you are looking for. Just look out for these 4 things. Once the 4 things are once you have been able to identify the 4 things, then you should know that you've gotten your signal to go into the market. Just go there. After, make sure your chart is in 1 minute. After your 1 minute candle, the second minute you leave the market. After your first candle, the second candle, you leave the market. Like here now, after this spike, we wait for the sell signal to come out before we go into the market. Then we pick 2 minute candle, then we leave the market immediately. So that is how to go about it. So let's quickly go to crash. Let's go to crash so that you understand the way it works with crash. For crash, you look out for, it must be in uptrend. That is 1. 2, you also look out for the buy signal. You look out for the buy signal in crash, and the buy signal must be above the candle indicator. The buy signal must be above the candle indicator. Look at here, it is above the candle indicator, so you can easily pick up your 2 minute candle before leaving there. We might experience another crash here because this is a resistance level, although untested, but let's see if it will. Okay, it already happened. It happened, but it's a minor one. It's a minor one, but let's see if another one will happen again. So that is how to trade the spikes. I mean, to trade crash effectively. You look out for all this, but that is for another video, not today's video. So you look out for the big green ball which is this, is a buy signal. It must be above. You can see the small candle indicator. Yeah, it must be above it. Once you see that, then you can easily pick up your 2 candles, most especially if it is on uptrend. So you can see we're able to pick up our 2-minute candle here. Then we will leave the market. Let's go backward so that we see if it also obeys the rule, just the way boom obeyed the rule. So just the green candle, we are looking out for the green candle. This is another one, although it is at the same level with the candle indicator. You may not go into this except if you want to risk it. Of course, if you risk it, of course you will have gotten your 2-minute candle. This is below the candle indicator, so don't go there except if you want to risk it. Let's look out for others that are above the 2-minute candle. Okay, that are above the candle indicator. So this is above the candle indicator, so you can easily come in and pick up your 2 candles. It even got to 3, but you can pick up your 2 candles. This is below, don't go there. This is above, so you can pick up your 2 candles. This is above 2, so you can pick up your 2 candles here. You can see it is easy for you to pick up your 2 candles. Okay, this is also above. You can also pick up your 2 candles. This is also, you can pick up your 2 candles. Check out here, it is also above, so you can easily pick up your 2 candles too. Yeah, this is another one. You can easily pick up your 2 candles. All these happen within an hour. All these happen. Remember, this is 1-minute chart, so all these happen within an hour. So you can get as many as possible in a day. This is also above. You can pick up your 2 candles. This is at the same level. You may not want to go in there. Let it be above the candle indicator. Once it is above the candle indicator, then you are rest assured. This is above the candle indicator. You can easily pick up your 2 candles. This still, all this happens today. This is above it, so you can pick up your 2 candles. This is above it. So can you see that just doing that, you can easily pick 10 from 500, from crash 500, 10 from 5. Sorry, you can just doing this alone, following this instruction, you can easily pick 10 trades from crash 500, 10 trades from crash 1000, 10 trades from boom 500, 10 trades from boom 1000. You can easily do that. You can easily do that, and that will give you a whole lot of money. That will give you a whole lot of profit. So doing that in a day is enough for you. Can you imagine you picking up 10 trades from the following daily? Then boom 1500. So 10 trades from crash 1000 and crash 500. That is 10 10, then 10 10. That is 10 10 each. That is like 40 trades. That will give you like 40 trades in a day. So let's do the calculation. 40 trades, and let's say 40 trades, and you are using lot size 3.0 for those that have big capital, and let's say 3.0 will give you, okay, for this you earn $3 from 500 per minute. That is $6 already. Then $1.5 from 1000 per minute. That is $3. So you earn $9 each. So you earn $9 per minute for this, $9 per minute for these two. So that is times 40 times 9. times $9. So that will give you what? That is $360. Can you imagine that? That is $360. So you can easily earn $360 per day using this strategy. That is if your capital is big enough to take this lot size. I'm using lot size 3.0. If it is not big enough to take this lot size, even if you are using 1.0, okay, let me use 0.5. Even if you are using 0.5 as your lot size, 0.5 as your lot size, I believe 500 should give you 50 cents per minute. So that is 12. It will give you $1. This 1,000 will give you 25 cents per minute. 12 1,000 will give you $50. So you earn $1.5 per trading session. So that is 40 trades. 40 times 1.5, right? Yeah, 40 times $1.5. I think I'm right. That will give you, because some people may want to overdo, because they want to earn the 360 I have calculated there. So I want you to see that even with small capital, you can still make a little lot of money. That is $60 per day. If you follow this strategy, that is $60 per day. $60 per day. So if your capital is small, earning $60 per day, I don't think is that small. $60 per day is not too small for you to earn. It is a whole lot of money. If you should multiply that by 7 days, 60 times 7, can you see that is $420? So with that, you can step up your game to this level, to the level whereby you'll be using $360. So this is amazing. This is just for you to see how you can earn easily using this platform. I'm always trying to bring onto you what can actually put food on your table, something that can keep on giving you money regularly. And I always tell my students, as you are earning, do not be greedy. Withdraw some of the money so that you can use it for your personal needs. The money in your bank is your own money. Withdraw some of the money for your personal needs. Do not be greedy about this. Follow the strategy. Do not say do not say it is almost almost above the candle level, or it's almost look like what we are looking for. No, let it be exactly what you are looking for. Let it be. Make sure all the signals are complete. Make sure you follow all the signals strictly. Just follow them strictly and make sure you earn your money. Once you have gotten your 2-minute candle, leave the market immediately. Do not say I can still make it 3 minutes, let me get 3 minutes more or 4 minutes more. No, once you have gotten your 2-minute candles, leave the market immediately and wait for another signal, another opportunity like that. You can easily get 50 of that, of each of the assets daily. You can easily get 50 of that daily, but I want you to reduce it to 10. If you do 10 for crash 500, you do 10 for boom 1000, you do 10 for crash 1000, you do 10 for boom 500. At the end of the day, you'll have gotten 40 of that effectively. Use the rest of the day to enjoy yourself. Wait for another day. If you want to withdraw and spend your money. So this is how to milk the market effectively. If you are yet to earn money for yourself, if you have not been making anything from this platform, then put this strategy into use and you're going to make a lot of money with it. If you are consistent with what we have explained today, if you are consistent with your earning, in a week your trading capital will have grown up and you will have earned a whole lot of money for yourself, and even your daily income will have increased. So this is amazing. You can easily do this effectively. I believe we've learned a lot from today's training. From today's training. If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My email and WhatsApp number is in the description box below. Send me a message and I will reply you immediately. If you would like to know more about my trading strategy, or you want to know more about this special indicator that we are using, kindly contact me and I will reply you immediately. Watch out for my next video. Until then, I remain Samuel Opeola. God bless.